Guys, and we are back. I just accidentally quit, so I gotta try and okay, we're back. Paris, you can join again.
Yeah, I've joined.
Okay guys, we are back. Part 2 of the building challenge.
And it is very hard for me.
If you missed the last time, I definitely recommend you should go watch it before watching this, as you won't get anything what we're doing right now. Hey Paris.
Oh my god, this is lagging.
Is it?
Yeah, it's lagging.
Is it just your tablet or is it actual internet?
No, it's the internet.
Then turn it off, then join back on.
It's like when I tap to place it, it comes up with the building thing. Can we pause the time?
I can't, but I could extend the time.
Can you extend the time then? Because it's not very fair.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna stop everything that we're doing in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, and we're back. We had some technical difficulties. We fixed it, and we added a couple minutes to our time because of the thing that we had to fix. Now this is going to be the hard part for me.
I did this thing way too big,
I might give you an extra couple minutes, maybe. I'm not sure. You're not allowed, but like, you're probably gonna need it. No offense. Okay, well that failed, but who cares? I'm not gonna really. Okay, well that's not gonna work now, is it? Hate it when I accidentally do this. Need to extend the face.
This looks like crap. Mine. No.
Do you have an ad?
What?
What's that sound? Did you put a music thing on? Paris. Oh, that's the tablet. That's the wrong alarm. We're supposed to wait for the next one. Yeah, 3:59. Oh, whatever, just keep playing. Yeah, okay, so we've got 4 minutes then. Yeah, that works. I forgot to turn off the other one that we did. I thought you had an ad on Minecraft. I was gonna be like, since when does Minecraft have ads? Yeah. Okay, so I have a couple more minutes to finish off the final details. Hope you don't mind that I'm pretty much already done.
Oh, stop bragging.
I'm not bragging. And also that the clock's about to go off. So all I can do is just break as many blocks as I can and try and replace them fast enough. Well, I know that you've been having lag because your tablet's quite cheap. So I might give you a couple extra minutes, maybe. We'll both last an extra couple minutes.
We both probably.
I know, because I accidentally looked at your screen when I came to fix the thing, and you were nowhere near done, eh?
Oh, well, it's just a game, though. It's not like we're getting money for this.
You were, no. So, yes, we are. I made a bet this morning. Only joking. So, we aren't. So, be like, yeah, we're not. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Well, I'm ready for it to go off in like 2 seconds.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm done.
I haven't even added a door.
Oh, I could add some extra stuff, you know. Just so you can catch up. You're gonna love mine, Paris. You're gonna absolutely love mine, that's all I can say. Yes, you really, like, absolutely 100% are. I went way out of my way to do it. Like, to be honest, I was gonna do the same thing as you, but probably a bit better. And I'm like, oh, nah. I wanna show off. I'm allowed to. I know, like, there's billions of people out there that could do this way better than me. But, like, honestly, I don't care. This is...
Just want to show off.
I think it's pretty cool. It's not that great skills, it's just cool. Like, you wouldn't even have thought of doing this.
I know. It's me.
You just find the simplest way through things. Oh, there must only be like 30 seconds left, eh?
Yeah.
I wouldn't actually mind seeing some more of these, what I've done. Oh yes, Paris, you know my video that I uploaded just before? The one that said OMG awesome Minecraft, right? The one that had that giant house?
Yeah.
Yep. Wow.
Hey, stop looking at me.
No, I'm not. I'm looking at mine. I just can't believe I built this. When you look at this, you're going to be like, oh. Oh yeah, by the way, we did not build this map, by the way. We downloaded it. Besides, we're building everything else, but like, the stuff that we get told to build, we didn't come up with.
And we don't even know what we're building next time or this time.
I'm looking at both of them because I'm done and I can't change it. Wow, there's a huge difference between our two.
I know.
In fact, I'm just going to go break some of my blocks. I know I said I wasn't going to go back, but like, I ruined it by doing this. I'm keen to see what Jules comes up to, Paris. So I'm probably just going to let you keep building until you're done. Oh god, I heard glass break. Was that on purpose or accident?
Accident.
Breaking your house, Paris.
Funny. Very funny.
I can't wait for you to see my build.
I can wait for you to see mine.
I've already seen it. This is pretty big though.
Yeah.
As in like long ways though. Mine is big in tall ways. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Just gonna break this. Wait, I'm pretty sure the timer's broken. Because I can tell you this. Time was probably over ages ago. Yeah, it was way over. We've had like an extra 5 minutes.
Oh.
Oh well, just keep building. Okay, technically this is just for fun. This doesn't count as time.
Well, my dogs won't spawn. Why are my doggies spawning?
Hold up, I think. Hold up. Now try. Was that a ghast? I heard a roar. Oh, yours is looking okay.
Oh yeah, I spawned a ghast.
Oh, there it is. I'll take it out.
You.
Oh god, that's gonna throw fireballs everywhere. I turned it off, then turned it back on, so now they're gone.
Here we are. Here's whoops.
Okay. Hurry up, man.
I'm trying.
There's such a big difference. Okay, I'm just gonna start breaking that wall thing now. Okay? Just so you know. So you can start seeing the final project. I want you to be embarrassed from mine. I know just my cousins will vote for my one for this one, even if I don't tell them whose it is.
Yeah. 'Cause they'll probably know.
No, they'll just be like, oh my god, that's awesome. But I don't usually build things like this, so they won't think that it's me. I won't tell them who built what. I won't even say that you were part of this, or I'll just say, pick your favourite, and I'll be like, okay, I picked these ones, or that one, or this one, or that, or that. Okay, I'm going to pause timer until we come back. And we're back, guys. Welcome back, and Minecraft is like, never mind. So, we got told to do a doghouse. Mine was way different. I actually did a giant dog inside a house. Paris did a house with some dogs in it.
And I did a treasure hunt with bones. See? The dark wood is the treasure hunt.
Okay, well anyway, so I enjoyed this series quite a bit. We're just going to keep building, and if you guys enjoy that series, like and subscribe. And we've done beach. Now, oh yes, we've got to show you guys the next one. What is the next one? I'm breaking in 3, 2, 1. Giant object. Oh yeah, this is the one that we had to change it because the other one was boring. So we have to choose any block in Minecraft and make it.
A giant object.
Like, we're gonna, like, say we picked this. We've got to make it big, okay? So, join us next series. Noobcat, over and out.